Alright, welcome back to my channel guys. For this video, magre-review tayo ng bagong sapatos na nakuha natin. Hopefully, maganda yung kakalabasan. Hindi ko pa talaga siya nagalaw. And, I'm looking forward to it. So, let's go. Let's go open it. So, this shoe is Jamorant 3. Ito yung bagong, model ng sapatos niya. He've been traveling around the world. Umabot siya sa Manila. Kaka-advertise ng bagong, sapatos niya. And, throughout social media, like, it's showing, itong mga design niya. And then, this shoe is different. Ibang klaseng design, you know what I'm saying? And, kung, nanonood kayo sa dati kong video, may Jamorant 1 tayo. Hindi tayo kumuha ng Jamorant 2 kasi parang ano lang, parang copy and paste lang tapos parang pinalitan lang yung konti sa Ja2. So, hindi ako kumuha nun. So, nung nakita ko tong design na to, yo, I'm getting one. And, tinignan ko yung mga iba't ibang colors, colorway niya and, may isa akong nagustuhan doon and nakuha ko lang 'to siya online. In-order ko 'to siya kahapon lang guys tapos dumating na kaagad ngayon. So, let's go get it. Let's go open it. Hopefully, tama, true to size siya. And hopefully these ones are one of ones, one of the best this year's shoes. So, let's get into it. Let's go, let's go. So, dito na tayo guys kasi nasira na dito yung tape niya. Ganyan natin to. Ayan. Sana maganda din. Sana maganda din yung box niya and then hopefully may extra siya na shoelace. Cause sa lahat ng reviews, merong extra shoelace and let's go get it. Let's see. Damn. This box is crazy. Woo! Yeah. You know it's good. Yes, sir. Look at this box, bro. It's crazy. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Come on, man. It says, nakita nyo. Hold on, if you guys can see. Jar, then number 3. Tapos parang sticker yung ano niya, man. Yung box niya. And then, worldwide. You see? You see, guys? Worldwide. Kaka-advertise yun ng bago niyang sapatos. It's actually worldwide. Like, how can I put this on the words? Like, sponsoran ng Nike talaga si Jamorant para mag-ikot sa mundo na pumunta siya sa mga, sa mga countries na malakas yung basketball. Tapos, in-advertise to. That's how Nike. Ganun yung move ng Nike para mag-boom yung sapatos. Pag alam ng Nike na, this shoes is gonna be, worldwide. So, then may logo siya dito. Then yung sizing niya, hopefully true to size. So, right here, admit 1 and then yung size ko. I know my feet is small but let's see how it goes. Tapos may hit that siya and then says right here, swoosh, just do it. The next swoosh and just do it. Names and design or trademarks. Like yung mga kung sino gumawa, ganyan. Says here, the box is made from over 90% recycled material. So it's nice. Good. They're saving the earth. That's good. Yes, sir. So yeah, let's see. And then, na-miss ko pala. It says here, VIP only. You already know we got these, you know? So, mm-mm-mm. Let's go get it. Damn. This shoe is different. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. You see that? He got his face on it. It's a sticker. It's actually a sticker, guys. Nakangiti si Jamorant. That's crazy. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna save these. Maybe lagay ko sa MacBook ko, you know. I know you guys are excited to see it. I'm excited too, but gusto ko lang mag-go over to details, you know, para sulit naman yung review pag bibili kayo ng ganito. So, let's see. Ano pa ba na-miss natin? Oh my days, nawakan ko na yung material, guys. Yo! Yeah! Yeah! Damn! Ang gaan, man! Yo! One sec, guys. Oh my days! Ooh. Oh yeah! You already know. May extra shoelace siya. You already know. We got those extra shoelace. That's what we want. Yo! Hold on, guys. Lagay ko nga dito para hindi maano. So, nakikita nyo yung material niya. Damn! Makapit to. Kahit sa dirty court, kakapit talaga to. It's like, Jordan 6. Jordan 6. Hold on. Parang yung dito niya, yung base ng ano niya dito is like Jordan 6. One sec, guys. Oh no, not Jordan 6. My bad. Kobe 6. My bad. Kobe 6. Yeah. Kobe 6. I see it. Nakikita ko yung base ng sapatos sa dito. Is Kobe 6, you know? Then damn, tapos ang rough dito is like the design is nice, bro. Tapos sobrang gaan. You know what I'm saying? Then sabi dito sa baba, happy Ja is scary Ja. You know, the same shit. Kapag masaya ako, delikado din eh. Joke lang. Yes, sir! And then, yeah, tinanggal ko lang, guys. Keep lang natin yan dito. So, check dito. Says here 12. Tapos, check. Tapos A para Ja, you know. It's actually smart design. Tapos, zoom X yung apakan niya. Damn, it smells good. You already know. Tapos may logo siya sa loob. You know, hopefully it's true to size. You know, damn, ang gaan. Ang gaan talaga, guys. So, ayusin muna natin to. You know? You guys can see it. Subukan natin. You know, man, I'm excited to put this on court. Excited na ako mag-basketball na ito. Ang gaan ha. Para ka lang nag-Kobe 6. You know what I'm saying? Tapos, ano pa? Yung legit. Damn. Ang gaan talaga, man. It's actually nice. Nabili, ang total price niya is 180. I think. 180 ba yun? Oh, no. 160? Correct me if I'm wrong. 160 tapos parang nabayaran ko lang is $181. So, yeah. And then, I don't know what does this mean, pero nakita ko din to sa Ja1. Tapos may logo siya dito, you know. Tapos ang material niya, guys, is actually, you know, 10 out of 10. Solid, tas ang gaan. Ang gaan talaga. And pag, hoopers, right? Pag ginanon mo, alam mo talagang kakapit sa dirty court. You already know, you know? So, let's go get it. Let's go try this. Guys, pasensya nyo na. Ganto ako pag excited, my bad. You know? Like, this is what we talk about, you know? If you think about the best ones, you're gonna get the best ones. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking for the best ones, you're gonna get the best ones. So, woohoo! True to size, please. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's true to size. Oh yeah. Hmm. Oh yeah. Tapos yung logo dito guys, like pagilid. Instead na straight yung dyan niya na logo, ginanto nila. Actually nice. The fuck is this? Oh. Goods din yung ano guys, no? Yung pinalit kay Kyrie. Kahit magaganda din yung mga sapatos ni Kyrie. Like, hindi din sila lugi na ganito yung kinuha nila si Ja Morant, tapos ganito yung mga sapatos na pinoproduce nila. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's true to size. Definitely. Sa mga wide footers, I don't know, but my foot is not wide. I think you guys gotta go up to size if you're a wide footer. If you're planning to buy these, you know. Yeah. So guys, bumibili lang ako ng sapatos pag gustong gusto ko talaga, and pag, sakto siya sa paningin ko. I don't know, but I'm just being real. Hell yeah! Yung tuhod ko ba? Hell yeah. Oh my days. This shoe is nice. Parang hindi mo na kailangan i-break in eh. You know? And nandito kapatid ko. Naglalaro siya. Yeah, it's like a Jordan's, Kobe 6. Pero may lang, may originality. Parang yung base lang. You know what I'm saying? But, damn! Hell yeah. Damn. Oh yeah, it's so smooth. Yung apakan. Talagang pang ano eh. Talagang pag sinuot mo to, parang iinit ka talaga eh. You know what I'm saying? It's so comfy. Yeah. Kita nyo yan, guys. See that? And then yung colorway, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo na tinignan ko lahat ng colorway, and ito yung nag-stand out na colorway sa akin. You know what I'm saying? So, and then yung makapit to guys, makapit talaga kahit hindi siya yung translucent na apakan. Kahit hindi translucent yung apakan niya, kakapit talaga to. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's actually good. Yeah. Teka lang guys, tignan ko muna. Tignan ko lang kung yung overall niya pag sinuot ko. Damn, it's actually nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Tapos naka-gray short pa ako. Tapos yung box niya, talagang pinag-isipan. Talagang ginandahan talaga eh. Tapos may extra shoelace pa. Then it says there Nike check, tas Ja Moani Ja. Yes sir. Damn, I can't wait to to use this sa court. But yeah, I give this 10 out of 10 para sa akin. You know what I'm saying? Pero kung wide footer ka, I think you gotta go up to size kasi narrow yung paa ko and then sakto talaga sa paa ko. So, I suggest go half a size. And then, kung nakikita nyo guys na makalat itong gamit ko dito, hindi yun lang just like for, aalis kasi kami. So, nagpe-prepare ako ng mga gamit ko kung ano yung susuotin ko, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah, maybe next week ko pa magagamit to kasi aalis kami. And, I give this 10 out of 10. Alam mo na kung nagba-basketball ka na talaga, pag sinuot mo, tapos, komportable sa paa mo, nung sinuot mo, na hindi mo pa nagagamit, alam mo talaga is gonna work, is gonna respond right away, Kung anong gusto mong, kung ano yung move mo, sa court, talagang susunod talaga to, kasi ang light, tapos, alam mo ang kapit, and then, sakto siya sa paa mo, yeah. Hindi lang dahil si Ja Morant, hindi lang dahil sa brand, oh, it's Nike, it's not just about that. I think it's about quality ng sapatos, And hindi ko pinopromote to, na kumuha kayo lahat ng Ja, ganyan. Hindi ko din ina-advise na kahit gaano pa kaganda yung sapatos, tapos hindi naman komportable para sa'yo, hindi naman komportable sa paa mo, then don't get it, You know what I'm saying? But, I suggest to get these ones, because I can feel it, I can tell, I see it, I'm wearing it, 10 out of 10, it's fire. And marami pang colorways na dadating, Maganda din yung pink pero marami na akong pink na sapatos, you know what I'm saying? Pakita ko sa yung Ja 1 ko. And yung another pink ko na Unpearl kay KD17. So, I said, yo, I already got too much pink. Ito yung Ja 1, Then, ito yung Unpearl ko na kinuha. Ito makapit to. Ito yung translucent. Pag inapakan mo. Pag translucent yung apakan mo, guys, dirty court, kakapit talaga. Lalo na kapag clean court, Indoors. So, yeah, ang layo talaga ng Ja 1. Maganda din yung design. Ang laki talaga ng step up ng Ja 3. You know what I'm saying? And itong klaseng colorway na to, like is very different, is rare. Kasi kung titignan mo throughout history yung sapatos, ilan lang ba yung sapatos na color gray na nag-stand out throughout the world? I can't name one, but top of my head, this is the colorway that I see, na stands out, color gray with blue. My favorite color is blue. Meron siyang blue, and then tong colorway na to, madaling bagayan kung anong jersey man. Kung nagliliga man kayo or kung, runs, pick-up games, whatever, kahit anong damit siguro na ito, mababagayan mo agad. You know what I'm saying? So, these colorways are 10 out of 10 for me. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys, nakakuha kayo ng knowledge kung kukuha man kayo ng Ja Morant 3. I suggest you go get it. And, kung makita nyo man ako sa tapos same color tayo, hey, I'm a dub you up. Like, you got the good choice, But, kung may Ja 3 ka in different color, I still dub you up, Tapos same way Same court, same shoes, different colorway. You know, you got the good choice. Ja 3. I go get it, you know. And hindi ko na kailangan i-try yung shoelace na yan. I think itong white shoelace na to is the best ones for this color. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. May asikasuhin pa ako. So, see you guys in the next video. I know it's the best ones. Yes, sir. Let's go get it. We already know. We already know. You already know. I already know. This is the best ones. Yes, sir.